Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see that how can you block or unblock particular account in Instagram. So in Instagram, if you want to block someone's account, then what are the steps you need to follow? First of all, you need to go to their profile. Suppose I want to block Google, so I have gone to instagram.com/google, that is their name. Then I need to block them, so I just click on these three dots, and the first option I get is a block option. So I just click on this, and Instagram asks me for a confirmation. So yes, I want to confirm it, so I click on block. So now we have blocked Google. Now what happens is, if their profile reloads, then I get this kind of things. I won't be able to see their posts. But if I want to unblock them, then what do I need to do is simply just go to their profile again, and there is an unblock button showing right over here, or I can just click on these three dots again, and now the block option changes to an unblock option. So if I click on this, then I would be able to unblock Google, and their would be unblocked from my profile, and then again the page would be refreshed and I would be able to see all the content from their site. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.